Megan, I don't think you can go in that one. I think it's the next one.
What's it say? Comunidad Intermusical Salsa. Let's have a nosy anyway.
Electrical.
It smells like a swimming pool.
That one's locked anyway. Come on.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana.
This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time, traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal, we've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Later.
Hi there, thank you for joining me. Today we are at the Oficina de Olaria y Azulejaria de Tomar, the Tomar Pottery and Tile Workshop. Hopefully I didn't do too bad pronouncing that, but it is a beautiful place in Tomar city, which is in the district of Santarém. It solely survives on tourism, so if you're in the area, by all means visit it. And if you've been to the Convento de Cristo, you would have seen a lot of the tile work over there, and these are the ladies that are still carrying on with the tradition of handcrafted tiles today. So I'm going to put the address and any kind of links that I've got in the description box. If you go down, you'll see 7 women there. 4 of them are painting the tiles and 3 of them work within pottery. So there are some beautiful pieces down there. They can design a whole wall for you. They can do individual tiles for you. Names, everything, anything you can think of, or anything that you've never thought could be made into a tile is made into a tile here. It's amazing. Earrings, magnets, jewelry. It's amazing the craftsmanship that goes into these tile painting. The ladies sit there and you can watch them painting. It is a working workshop, so when you walk in, they are still creating, orders or things that they've had requested. If you are in the area, by all means visit. We're not affiliated to them in any way whatsoever. It's just such a friendly shop to go in and see the ladies working, and I'm pretty sure there are opportunities to take a course there. I did see signage of that. If I do find any bits of information regarding that, I will put it in the link below. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Laters. Oh, is this all the thingies? Hello, doggy. Oh, wow. I think David would love one of these. For David, Mikey. We'd love some of these. Wow, you can do your picture. Are these bracelets? They look like bracelets, don't they? That's quite cool. It might be. Well, he was saying this is the cheapest place. You get it. Your name or your house?
Whatever your house name be.
Mm. This one's got names on them. You can get names on them. Are you looking for Josh? You can get earrings as well, and rings. Wow. Hey. They got The Simpsons. Look. Oh, I think I'd definitely get some of those. Pepper. Oh,
Right, so I assume that says something like I live here.
yeah.
That'd be so good.
It's just because it's The Simpsons. That's why he thinks it's crap. I think I'd definitely get one of those for David. I feel happy. I'd get one of these for David. Only like €2. And they're handmade. Look at his tail. What do you think?
Or do you want to get him a cross and a D?
Oh, you could.
Oh, right.
What do you do with matches? It doesn't even smoke. So, argolas de galata. No, it's not stretchy. It's not stretchy. Yeah, it's not stretchy, so.
Down a bottle of bloody rock.
Oh, there you go. Okay, well. Oh, this one's nice.
Oh, is that a set of coasters, isn't it? So inside the packet there, there's a set of coasters.
Megan's shouting you.
What? What's that? It says David.
And then there's one that says Diana.
How's there? Thanks for watching this video. We really do appreciate your support. Please like, share, and comment on these videos. Let us know what you're enjoying so we can do more of that. And I hope to see you soon. Laters.